beautiful soul, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda, and I would really love it if you would join this little community and hit that little subscribe button and subscribe. Today we're going to do a little bit different video. We're going to talk about, I have here, and these are my empty products. So I thought I would go quickly through them, and I'm gonna say if I want to repurchase them or if I just maybe don't like them so much. Okay, so let's start. First up is a series I've been using since I have when I did do some highlights in my hair, and this is the Blonde Absolute, and this is the conditioner. I also got the shampoo, but I think I throw that away. And I also got this how do you say? It's a deep treatment. And these are smells really good, and they are all purple. So these will take off the gold in your highlights and get it more cold toned. So really enjoying these. I think they've been great. Actually, I do prefer this line for the Kerastase. This one is better for my hair, and this is nutritive. I think this smells so good. That's with all the Kerastase I tried, they smelled really yummy. I can recommend both of them if you have blonde hair, and these are if you have like mine, it's really dry and frizzy and everywhere. So enjoy them, could use them both again. Something more from Kerastase. This is the Aura Botanica. Yeah, I can't pronounce this. Crème de boucle. I don't know. It's like curl definition. You have it in your damp hair, squeeze the curls, and then you get all curly. This works really well with my hair. I can get really firm curls. Elvira has also tried this, so love it and can recommend it. Next up, another one. By the way, this is not a sponsor video. Paid for all of these myself. So this is also the nutritive. It's the same series. So this one is a night serum. I think I have, there's tiny bit left here. I think this was nice for the hair. I couldn't see such a magic improvement that they said, but it was okay. You put it on the hair during the night. Nothing special, but not for me. It was not worth the money that this cost. Even if I think it's a good product, it's quite expensive. So next up is another Kerastase product. No, I don't think I have any more Kerastase. And this is Elixir Ultime. And this is a hair oil. And I think this one is okay. But actually I think I prefer the Moroccan oil over this. So no, won't buy this again. Okay, let's go over to some skincare, okay? First up is this moisturizer from Nu Skin, and it's Nutricentals, and actually they change the packaging of this. I think this is a good cream actually. Haven't bought this one again. Maybe I will do, but it's okay. Then we have, this is also from Nu Skin. It's a day cream, and I actually love that it's in this like tube. I do prefer the tube over this, because here you will just dot your fingers and get bacteria in, because I always my spatula is always somewhere else. Both of them are really good creams, actually. I can buy them again. So next up is this Nutricentals from Nu Skin. It's a serum. This one I really enjoyed. I think it's a great serum. I could easily buy this again. So this is the waterproof makeup remover from Nu Skin. This one I didn't like so much. I think it was a tiny little bottle. It's just like 100 milliliters, and it was quite expensive, and no, this didn't do it for me. Okay, so next up we have Eucerin. So this is the hyaluron filler or something. This one I really enjoy. It's like dead empty. This one I really enjoy. I have gone through quite some of them. They are great price. I love the scent of them. I love the consistency of them, and yeah, I think it's a great cream. Great price, great cream. Okay, I'm soon ready. Okay. I will try to hurry. Next up, here we are having the Eucerin, and it's the same series, and this is the eye cream. I think this is a great eye cream. Actually, I think my wrinkles around the eyes are better. I don't know. Maybe it's just a placebo or something. But I think this is really great and totally recommend it. This is like favorite combo of mine, and also great price point. Next up, this little pillow mist, and it's from Rituals. Actually, I got this one in my advent calendar last year, and me and Lily really love the scent of this, and deep sleep pillow mist. So actually I have bought a larger, like the full size pillow mist, and I love it. Just spray some over your pillow when you go to sleep. And actually this year, oh, that was last year, like the advent calendar I have now, I got another one of these. So this new sample of this will go everywhere where I travel, when we can travel again. Love this, really recommend it. It smells just so fresh. Okay, next up is, oh, this is like dusty. Ugh. This is from Lumina, and it's a mascara, and actually, I don't know. So this, I bought it, and I must got an bad sample or something, because it was all dried. So I couldn't use it. It was just, yeah, Nordic Berry Curl from Lumine. Not so good. Well, it might be, but I couldn't use it, so. Okay, I'm soon ready. Here I have, so this is a foundation, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me. There you can see the Fit Me, and I wear the color 125 nude beige. I think this is a great everyday foundation. It looks pretty nice, and it's perfect for my color. It's not a great foundation, but for the price point I think it's okay. So this is my go-to. I come back to this a lot, so enjoying this. My last thing is this wood toothbrush from Humble Brush. Actually I didn't enjoy this so much, because I think these were so super soft, so no, that was not for me. I'm really loving this like wooden toothbrush because the environment and stuff, but this did not do it. So do you have a tips on a good wooden toothbrush or what I should wear instead? Please let me know. So the very last thing I have right now is this. You know what this is? This is the Sarah Jessica Parker New York perfume. I saw it once on a cruise ship, like so. It's dead empty. Haven't seen it anywhere else. I really loved it. Still love it after so many years. I think it's a cute bottle, and the reason why I have it here is because I kept this bottle for like several years and I love it. Couldn't get rid of it. Now when I was decluttering my cabinets in the bathroom, I saw, well, I need to get rid of this. So I thought I will include it here, smell it one last time, and then get it in my little box with stuff to clean out. Anyway, oh, that was it. Actually, I had some more stuff, but I've been throwing away. I forgot about it. But here's my little collection right now. So I will come back to you with another one in a couple of months when I have some new stuff. Maybe I will find some more sustainable brands. That would really be nice. So do you have any suggestions of good brands for your face and body and hair? Let me know. I will really enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Haven't you subscribed, please do click that little notification bell so you will be notified when a new video is coming up. So come join this little community. It would really make my day and I would be so happy. Okay, that's it. I won't chit chat here anymore. More videos. I have a lot of content. Go check it out. New video is coming in the end of the week. I think we might do that. Anyway, I'm so glad that you are here, and if you're here to the end, I love you. Thank you. So as I always say, have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are, and I hope to see you